asking ChatGPT to write a customized meal plan for us. This will be for an adult that needs 1500 calories per day, and it will be a 7-day keto friendly meal plan. So let's write this here. I'm asking ChatGPT to write a 7-day customized meal plan for an adult that needs to eat 1500 calories per day. Let's give it a space here, per day, and make it keto friendly. If I press enter, it is going to start giving us a 7-day customized meal plan for an adult that requires 1500 calories per day, and it will be keto friendly. We can see that it suggests on Monday that in breakfast we need to eat 3 scrambled eggs with spinach and mushrooms, which will be 250 calories, and then for lunch something like this, for dinner this one for 50 calories, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So it is giving us a complete meal plan for 1500 calories per day. At the end it says that this meal plan is general guide and the calorie count may vary depending on the ingredients used. Also, please consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet. But we can copy this and we can use it as a meal plan to lose weight or to stay fit. So we can create a customized meal plan using ChatGPT very easily. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, smash the like button, comment on this video and press the bell icon so you can be notified once new videos are posted.